Hi, I'm Karen Keenan, a member of First UU of Columbus. It is almost Memorial Day, and in a lot of families like ours, usually that means we get together with our family, and in my family that means we have a lot of dessert. So I am going to show you today a very simple apple cake that you usually have all these ingredients at home, so it's a simple cake to make. And here we go. So I'm going to start with, I have 1 stick of butter that I have melted. And to that, I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. This is also a recipe that you do not need to even use your mixer. You can just stir everything by hand. So there is my sugar and my butter. Now I'm going to add 1 egg that I've beaten. Stir that in there. And then I have 1 cup of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of both baking powder and baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So I have that in there. Throw that right on in. And again, stir it by hand. What you'll find is that this batter is not like a typical cake batter, because this batter is actually quite thick, and you might think I've done something wrong because normally batter isn't this thick, but it is. So that is our batter, and now I'm going to add, I have 3 apples. I usually use Fuji or Gala apples, but I've just chop them up into nice sized chunks, and we add all of these in here. And this is where it looks like that's an awful lot of apple with that batter. So it's not though. You stir it in, and it's very thick. So again, you just feel like I've done something wrong, but you haven't. This is what it looks like. And as you can see at the end, this apple cake has a lot of apples in it. So now I have my 9-inch square pan. I've sprayed it with some spray. Put the batter with our apples. Look at all those apples. My husband Barry likes apples an awful lot, so this is one of his favorite desserts. So that is it. I've now made the cake. It goes into a 350-degree oven for about 55 minutes or so. You know, you have to check it with the toothpick. But mine usually takes about 55 minutes. And then when you get done, you're going to have this wonderful looking apple cake, and it is delicious. So I hope everybody has a wonderful Memorial Day weekend and a terrific summer, and eat apple cake all year long. Thank you. Bye.